welcome back to Pabbly. Now winters are here and businesses are starting their winter sales. Now over here I'll tell you in this video what I'll show you how you can promote your winter sales of your business automatically, and not just that, create an amazing WhatsApp chatbot that is going to send replies to all your customers' questions with the promotion of your winter sale of your business. Yes, so now this is a kind of a promotional message that is going to be forwarded towards your customers on WhatsApp automatically to all at once. Yes, and with that, let's suppose I want to show the winter collection. I want to see the winter collection, so I'll select this option from here. As soon as I'll select it, you can see I can see the entire winter collection just in front of me on WhatsApp. With that, if I want to see the best deals, you can see if I'll select this option, I can see the best deals in my business of winter collection over here again. And not just that, what if I want to contact the support team of this business? Simply by selecting this button, you will see I have received the support team details as well. So now you can also create this amazing winter sale WhatsApp chatbot for your business without need of any coding and programming skills, simply by using Pabbly Chatflow. So in this video, let's dive into firstly the creation of how you can send this message to all your customers at once, and then how you can create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot that you can see on the screen, and then how it will work. Okay? Simply open a new tab and browse www.pabbly.com/chatflow, and Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Now before we create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, I want to talk about Pabbly Community. Now Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space, you can ask your questions, give feedbacks, and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our Pabbly Community today itself. For that, you will find a link of our community in the description section below. Okay, now over here Pabbly Chatflow's landing pages is going to appear, and you will have two options in front of you: sign in or sign up for free. Now if you're a new user, you do not have an account with Pabbly, simply sign up for free from here and get 100 free credits every month to explore more features of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you're an existing user just like I am, directly sign into your Pabbly Chatflow account from here. Then you will see the All Pabbly Apps section. As I want to use Pabbly Chatflow, I will click on this Access Now button, and you will see Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Now what is Pabbly Chatflow? It's a tool by Pabbly using which businesses can easily and efficiently manage their WhatsApp conversations. If you want to learn how you can set up your Pabbly Chatflow account step by step, for that you will find the links of the tutorials, both of the tutorials. As to add the WhatsApp number, there can be two methods. You will find both of the tutorial links in the description section below. Pabbly Chatflow also provides multiple features like inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, assistant, activity logs, and settings, under which you will find multiple options. If you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can check out all the video links in the description section. Okay? So now to create this template, this message I have added right over here, you can see to create this template, you have to go towards the template and templates list section of Pabbly Chatflow account. After coming to the template section, go towards this add template and create your first template inside Pabbly Chatflow. Now over here, you have to select the template category. There are three categories: marketing, utility, and authentication. I will use marketing category right now. Okay. Now over here it is asking for the template name. So let's suppose for the template name, I will give over here as test name as my template name. You have to have the template name in lowercase letters, alphabets. With that, you have to add underscores for the space. Okay, no space can be added. For the language of the template, I'll select over here English language. You can select any language according to your requirement. You need to select the template type. These are the options provided by Pabbly Chatflow that you can select your template type as. I will select over here text. If you want, you can select other template types according to your requirement. So firstly, template header. So let's suppose for the template header, I'm going to write over here as welcome to everyone. So this is my template header right over here. Okay, now you can add a body over here. So let's suppose my body is hello everyone, welcome to the video. Okay, so this is the body of my message right over here. I'm just showing you how you can create the template. I've already created one. I'm just showing the entire process of how you can create your own template. Okay, and for the footer, let's suppose I'll write it as thank you. Okay, so this is the body you will see with the header, message, as well as the footer. Okay, Now interactions. Do you want to add in interactions like call to actions, quick replies or all? Okay, yes, I want to add interactions as I want these buttons in the message. For that you have to select the option that is quick replies. Okay, so let's suppose this is my first button, that is test 1 that I've named. You can add in as many quick replies according to your requirement right here. Okay, so you can add in, I'm going to add another one and you can add another one according to your requirement. Okay, and then simply you have to click on this submit button and a template is going to be created inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. So now as this template has been created, first of all let me show you the original template that I've created for the winter sale. This is the template. Winter mega sale is now live. Your favorite winter fashion is finally on massive discounts up to 60% off. This is perfect time to upgrade your wardrobe with our most trending puffer jackets, oversized hoodies. You can see it's a promotional message with the quick reply 3 buttons. Shop winter collection, get best deals and need support. Okay, so this is a kind of template that you can also create in your business for the winter sale. Okay, so as now I've created this template, now I want to share this template to all my contacts at once. For that, simply what you need to do is go towards the broadcast section of your Pabbly Chatflow account right here. So you will come to the broadcast section right over here and you will find that I've already created a broadcast message broadcast right over here. I've already created a broadcast for my winter sales. You can see right over here on Sunday, that is 30th of November. Okay, I will show you how you can create a broadcast right now, and I've already scheduled one for 30 November. You can see right over here at 12 p.m. the messages are going to be forwarded. Okay, to create a new broadcast you have to click on this add broadcast button right over here. Now you have to select the broadcast type. I will select it as broadcast campaign. If you want you can select the API campaign as well. Okay, for the broadcast name, let's suppose I'm going to give it as test right over here for the broadcast name. Next it is asking for the contact list, to whom you want to send, to which contact section you want to send this entire broadcast to. I have created multiple contact lists inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. You can see right over here, and I want to send this broadcast to all my contacts. I'll select the option all contacts right over here, but if you want you can select a specific contact list as well. Okay, if you want you can create another new message right over here by entering the message like this, but I will select the pre-approved template. For that click on the select button. This is my winter sale message. I will select this template right here. You have to select your template over here. Okay, then if you want to test how this broadcast is going to work in real time, you can add in your name and your phone number and send the test message from here. If you want you can send the entire broadcast instantly from this no option. I want to schedule it, so you have to select yes. You have to select the date and time from here. You can select it according to your requirement, time according to your requirement, and click on this add broadcast button and the broadcast is going to be added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Okay, so now as the broadcast is created, now I want to create the amazing bot that is going to reply to all the quick replies buttons. Okay, for that what you need to do is simply go towards the flows section right over here. After coming to flows section you have to go towards this add flow button. Okay, after coming to add flow, the bot has been created. Now we have to add in the things that we want. Okay, firstly for the name of this bot, let's suppose I will write it as what winter sale message. Okay, so this is my flow name right here. Okay, next it is asking the trigger. My trigger is when the template button is selected. So over here I have multiple trigger events like keyword physics match, user starts conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated and tag assigned. Okay, I will select the trigger event as template selected and I will choose that winter sale template right here. Okay, now as I have this template, now these are my quick reply buttons. Now let us add the messages for these buttons. My first button is shop winter collection. Now I want to show my winter collection just like this. Now what are these products? From where did I find these products? I have created Meta's product catalog in which I've created all the products you can see right over here. Open the commerce store of your Meta, click on this add button and you can create your own catalog of your products inside Meta. Okay, so as I've added all the products you can see right over here, now you can directly sync this catalog clothing products you can see right over here directly into your Pabbly Chatflow account. So if you want to learn how you can sync the catalogs from your Meta account directly into Pabbly Chatflow, I've already created a video video on it, you can check out the link in the description section. Okay. Now over here we've added the catalog inside Pabbly Chatflow. Now from Pabbly Chatflow, how you can add that catalog product, those catalog products inside this bot that we are creating. For that, simply my first button is shop winter collection. Drag this point, drop it in this field, select the content type simply as multiple product message. Okay. After selecting the content type, you can see multi-product type has been added right over here. Firstly, you have to name the header and the body of this message right over here. So I'll enter the header and the body right here. So you can see right over here, this is the header and the body. So now next it is asking for us to add a section. You have to add a section, and in the section you can add the product. So my first section, I'll add it. I'll name my section first right here. My first section is winter jackets. Now over here in this section, I will add a product. Click on this add product, and in your catalogs, whatever products you have created is going to be appearing in front of you like this. Okay. This is one jacket, so I'll select this first jacket that I've added. Okay, so I've added one first product. I have another jacket over here, so I'll open it. So you can see this is my another puffer jacket, so I'm going to add this other jacket. Okay, so in my first section, that is winter jackets, I've added two of the jackets I have, two of the jacket products. Okay, now I have another section, so I can add in another section, name the section and add the products like this. So I have 4 sections. I've completed my first section. I'll complete other 3 sections and show you the entire product list right now. Okay, so you can see right over here, I've added the details, the winter jackets, you can see oversized hoodies, these are the hoodies. Next is sweaters and pullovers, the sweater and pullover section, caps and scarves, the cap and scarf. Okay, so I've added this product, multiple product list. Okay, after adding the list, my next button is what? Get best deals. Now with the button, I want to share the best deals like this. Okay, I'll show you. So these are the best deals. I want to send this message right now. Okay, now for that, simply what I will do is I'm going to simply drag this point of get best deals from here, drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button, and I will enter the message right now over here as, so this is the message I have. Here are the hottest winter deals for you, and you can see right over here I've added the message. Now in this message I've created some of the text as bold format. How have I done that? For that, simply in front of the sentence and in the end of the sentence that I want to format as bold, I have added stars like this. Okay, and the sentence is going to be forwarded in a bold format. Okay, after adding this message of get best deals, I want to send a message for need support as well. For that, I'll select the content type as text plus button, and for the message I'm going to write this support message. We are here to help you. If you need assistance with other sizing, payments or other things, you can contact on this email address as well as this phone number. Okay, so I've added this message over here as well. Okay, now I have created this bot. Broadcast is going to be forwarded successfully to all the contacts first, and then if any of the customers or leads are going to select any of the buttons right over here from this broadcast message, these messages are going to be forwarded to them. Okay, so now first to save this bot, you have to save this bot, toggle the button on, activate it and click on the save button, and the flow is going to be updated successfully. That means the flow is going to be saved. Okay, so now as this flow has been saved successfully, what I will do is I will test this bot right now and check whether automatically this bot is replying to all the buttons messages or not. Okay, so let me open my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp, and this is the kind of a broadcast message that is going to be forwarded to all my contacts. Okay, so this is the message. You can see the exact template that we have created. Now let me see the best deals. So I'll select this button. You can see within few seconds I'll receive the best deals. Need support, I'll select the button and I will receive the support team details. With that, show winter collection, and I will receive the meta catalogs items. You can see right over here, these are the items. Okay, so now this bot has been created successfully, and now you can promote your winter day sale of your business without you lifting up your finger, just by creating the amazing broadcast template and this entire bot, that too without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow. So go ahead and eliminate the manual work from your business and promote your business day and night without you worrying and stressing about it. Okay, if you have questions or doubts related to this amazing video that I've created, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. If you have any of the video ideas that you want us to create a video on, you can comment down below all the ideas and we'll create the videos just for you. Okay, so this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other bots using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any questions, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can send us queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any Pabbly Chatflow pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, comment down below if you have any questions, and please do share this video.